Hi. It's 2 good years. Like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 months times 2. 24 months of doing this. Oh my god. It's my 2 years Locaversary. This is a nice feeling. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm known on social media as IAMBLACKENA. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I would implore you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my YouTube channel with others. There's so much you will learn from my channel. I've uploaded so much videos that will help you on your loc journey, especially if you're interested in Microlocs. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much for sticking along with me all these times. I'm grateful. So, the topic of the day. It's been 2 whole years since I started this, and I know it's been a while since I said that I was going to film this. I was supposed to film this video in March, and I'm filming it in April. I know things have been rough, but here I am. Forgive me. But guys, 2 years, it's so nice. Like, I never thought I'd carry this through, honestly, because when I started my locs, right, that was the latter end of or early part of March. I started putting in the measures ending of February 2023. Then I put in the actual thing in early part of March 2023. I was just doing it like, yeah, okay, I want to do it, so let's do it. But I never envisioned myself here today. Like, are you seeing this? Like, I didn't envision this. I just thought to myself, yeah, I want to have Microlocs, but I didn't actually specifically see what I'm seeing on my head right now. Do you get me? So seeing this right now, it's a nice feeling. I love it. It's been great. I've enjoyed this journey so much. For those of you who do not know already, let me bore those of you who already know. I started my Microlocs by myself. I started with tiny Microlocs. I never counted the number of locs because I was quite lazy. I started counting initially, then I got lazy. I started with 2-strand twist. I just twisted and I didn't lock the base when I did it. Initially, I didn't know much about Microlocs that I didn't lock the base. So 2 weeks after that, I went to lock the base with a loctician. I didn't do it myself because at the time, I didn't know how to interlock Microlocs. Then with time, my hair evolved. Some of them unraveled. I had unraveling problems. With time, I found a way to deal with them over here. This was my first retie after I installed my locs. Smile. I was still dealing with unraveling over here as well, but I was still pushing it through. I was retying my hair every week to every 2 weeks just to deal with the unraveling. By this time, I had hit 1 year of locs. I was quite happy, and this was at the locticians. I was contemplating relocking my own hair, but I still couldn't find a way to do it myself, so I was still going there to do it. As you can see, my hair was evolving. This was my loctician at the time. So with time, I started noticing that I was having problems with my locs. Some were being joined, and this was the day I relocked my own hair. This was it. So from this time on, I relocked my own hair, I interlocked myself, I styled it myself, and I was able to do this ponytail myself. This was me relocking by myself, and it just went on from there. I never ever went back to any loctician ever again, and that has been it. Alright, so you've seen what has happened, and now this is my hair now. The last time I did a Locaversary was a year ago, and comparing that time to now, obviously there's been a lot of changes. Yes, this is also a fresh retie. I just did a side parts. I think in that video too I did a side parts, and this is it. Maybe I should get closer. That's actually it. So that's what I've had. My hair has not really changed much. Initially I thought it wasn't increasing in length. It looked like it was increasing in volume, but when I compare to the older videos, it looks like it's increasing in length as well, but not as much, because right now it's almost like it's on my it hasn't reached the shoulder. It's more like around my neck. I think what I have noticed most about my hair with a good aspect is that initially I was going to locticians to lock my hair, and I had a lot of challenges with that because most times I wasn't getting a loctician with where I was. I had to travel to somewhere else, and sometimes if I got somebody that was in my area, either they weren't available or it was too expensive for my pocket and all of that. So I decided to start locking my own hair. In fact, the reason why I started locking my own hair was because I started finding problems with how they were doing it. Initially, I didn't even mind if somebody else was doing it for me. In fact, it was good for me because I didn't have the time. But I started finding problems, and I felt like maybe I was complaining too much, so I decided to do it myself. And it's been great, really, because now, because I know my problems, I know the problems with my hair, I'm able to focus on them better, and now we don't have any problems. I've sorted everything nicely. So I've been relocking my own hair. I know at least it's been at least 6 months interlocking my own hair. It takes me averagely 3 days to complete the interlocking. Sometimes it takes me 2 days to complete it. I use the 4-point rotation method to interlock my hair. My major problems with my locks, I think the major thing would be the dandruff. It's not really a problem with my locks. I think it's a problem with my scalp. I have a scalp problem. The problem here is that I tend to form dandruff flakes too much, and it forms too often. I've been looking for avenues to sort this. Because I haven't found a permanent solution, it makes me want to wash my hair more often, and because I wash my hair more often, my locks tend to unravel too often, and because of that I tend to want to relock too often. Initially I planned that I'll be relocking my hair every 6 weeks since the locks are more matured now, but it's not working, because if I wait till 6 weeks, by the time I've washed my hair almost every week, the base would have unraveled so much, it would have become so fluffy, and I have very loose textured hair. I think if I had my own way, I'd get rid of the dandruff completely so that I can fully enjoy my locks, because I'm truly enjoying it. The greatest relief with having locks is that I wake up and I go. I don't have to worry about combing my hair, styling it, doing all sorts of things, all sorts of heating things twisting to undo it so that I can comb it out and all that before I can step out of my room. In fact, when I wake up and I have to leave the house, all I need to do is to fluff up my hair and I'm gone. In fact, sometimes I don't even sprinkle any water on it because my hair is like soft already, and then I'm gone. There are times where it's dry and then I just add some water and I add some cream, some oil, and I'm gone. I also maintain my scalp with garlic juice because of the dandruff. But apart from that, I also do my aloe vera juice sprinkles on my hair. I apply as and when I need. I also use some essential oils, but not too much. I have lavender oil, tea tree oil, I have argan oil. So these oils help me take care of my hair. I apply them as and when I need as well. I do not like applying too much of it because I do not want my hair to have residues. I think currently the next thing I want to do is to find a hair butter that can help to interlock my hair properly so that the fluffiness does not get too much, because when I'm interlocking my hair, I still feel like some of the flakes are out. So I wish I could get something to smoothing my locks as I interlock them. I haven't found anything so far. So yeah, these are the things I'm doing. It's been amazing. I really am glad that I started this. I haven't regretted at all. Yes, everything comes with its challenges, especially interlocking my hair, for example. It takes me so long to finish. Anyway, so those of you watching, if you already have Microlocs, I know some of you wanted to start your Microlocs 2 years ago when I started mine. If any of you have started yours, how has it been like? Please tell me, share with me your experience, guys. Those of you who were on the fence, have you started? And if you've started, how has it been? Those of you who haven't started at all, what has been the problem? Tell me, talk to me, girl to girl or man to girl, talk to me, guys. What is the problem? Anyway, if you have any solutions to any of the problems I mentioned in this video, kindly share with me. I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my video and my channel. Also share this video with others. It may be useful and inspiring to them. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share my video with everybody. I love you guys so much for always supporting my channel. Bye bye.